Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English. My name is Anna.
And I'm Ben. Today we have a great topic.
Yes, we will talk about accents and why you don't need a perfect one.
Many people worry about their accent when they speak English,
That's true. They think my accent is bad.
but that's not true at all.
Yes, your accent is part of your identity. It shows where you come from.
Exactly, and that's something to be proud of.
Anna, when you speak English, do you have an accent?
Of course, everyone has an accent. Even native speakers have accents.
That's right. An American accent, a British accent, an Australian accent, they're all different.
Yes, so there's no perfect accent.
Only your own accent.
And as long as people understand you, that's what really matters.
Let's do a little practice for our listeners.
Good idea. Repeat after us.
My accent is okay.
My accent is okay.
My accent is part of me.
My accent is part of me.
I don't need a perfect accent.
I don't need a perfect accent.
See? That sounds great already.
Yes, you sound wonderful. Sometimes people feel shy because their accent is different.
Yes, they think other people will laugh or not understand.
But that's not true. Most people just want to communicate.
Right. The goal is communication, not perfection.
You can have a strong accent and still speak clearly.
Exactly. Clear English is more important than perfect English.
Anna, when you speak English, do you remember the first time you spoke to a native English speaker?
Yes, I was nervous. I thought, oh no, they will think my accent is strange.
And what happened?
They smiled and said, wow, your English is good.
That's a nice story.
Yes, that moment made me feel confident.
And that's what we want for our listeners, to feel confident too.
Let's do another short practice.
Sure, repeat after us again.
My voice is unique.
My voice is unique.
I can speak with confidence.
I can speak with confidence.
My accent is beautiful.
My accent is beautiful.
Great! Keep saying that to yourself every day.
Anna, do you think people should try to change their accent?
Maybe only if they want better pronunciation for clarity.
Yes, for example, practicing some difficult sounds can help people understand you better.
But you don't need to sound perfect.
No, you just need to be understood.
Right. English is about connection, not imitation.
And sometimes your accent helps people know more about you.
Yes, it shows your culture, your country, your story.
That's beautiful.
And English is a world language. It belongs to everyone.
Yes, there's Indian English, Vietnamese English, Mexican English, African English, all amazing.
All accents are welcome.
Let's say that together. All accents are welcome.
All accents are welcome.
Perfect.
See, you already sound confident.
So remember, you don't need a perfect accent.
You just need to be you.
Speak clearly
Speak proudly.
and speak with confidence.
Yes, let's say one last positive sentence together.
I am proud of my English.
I am proud of my English.
I can speak with confidence.
I can speak with confidence.
I don't need a perfect accent.
I don't need a perfect accent.
That's the spirit.
Yes, you are doing amazing.
Let's review what we learned today.
We learned that everyone has an accent.
There is no perfect accent.
The goal is to communicate clearly.
Your accent shows who you are.
Be proud of your English voice.
Speak every day, listen often, and smile when you speak.
Because you don't need a perfect accent.
Thank you for listening to Daily English.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye-bye.